first thing I've gotten from Cobb for the GTI. Pretty excited. It's nothing too exciting, it's just a windshield wiper delete. But it's still pretty cool. Pretty cool little branding. Let's go ahead and get this open real quick, see what we got. See, Cobb's just got a real nice logo. Look at that. That just looks so nice. Sorry about that. Let's see. Full plug, Cobb. Got the O-ring. Nice. Interesting. Yeah, pretty cool. Also ordered OBD2, or sorry, OBD11. So excited to get some new coating in on the car. But yeah, we'll update you later. What's you doing, Sam? Alright, so first thing. Oops. All right, so 2 T15 bolts right there. You're supposed to pop all this stuff out. Bomb. All right. Actually, I'll put these up here. And does this pop? Cool. Oh my gosh, dude, there's so much dog hair. That's why you don't get a shepherd. Just kidding, just kidding. Yeah, let's see. Cool. Oh, so much hair. Jeez. Good time to clean all this though. All right, so yeah, just these 4 little T10 bolts, T15, sorry. Look at all this freaking German Shepherd hair. Sam, why? Let's see. But yeah, everything else just popped out. Pretty easy. Now we just gotta take out the motor. Yeah, disconnect. Easy, easy. Catch back up with you. All right, so to get the wiper out, everyone else made it look super easy. Was not super easy for me. I mean, it was fine. It was just kind of a pain in the ass. But motor's out, unplugged, unbolted, and everything. Oh, let's see if I can find the remains of the, yeah. So initially pulling it, snapped this. Sam, what are you doing? Snapped the arm. And I was like, okay, well, might as well just get the Dremel out and try to just cut it off. And I got tired doing that. And then I remembered I had an old pulley puller from an old Mustang. And I just hooked one of the sides up underneath of it, used that, and then it still didn't really want to come off. You had to use that, tighten it and everything, and then twist it, and then it popped off. But yeah, now we can go ahead and throw in the Cobb delete. Okay, everything's all buttoned back up, all the trim's back on, and here is what it looks like. Looks nice. I approve.